Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you a collection of modern stylish kitchen designs and tips on how to make your kitchen more stylish ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. The kitchen is the heart of any home, and its design should reflect its significance. A stylish kitchen design can make all the difference in creating a beautiful and functional space that serves as the focal point of any home. Whether you're renovating your current kitchen or building a new one, there are many elements to consider in achieving a modern and timeless kitchen design. In this video, we will explore the meaning of stylish kitchen design and answer some of the most frequently asked questions about kitchen design. What is a modern kitchen design? A modern kitchen design incorporates the latest design trends and materials while ensuring functionality and comfort. It is characterized by clean lines, minimalism, and a simple color palette. A modern kitchen design often features sleek, high-tech appliances, flat panel cabinetry, and a minimalist design approach. The use of natural materials like wood, stone, and metal is also common in modern kitchen designs. The goal of a modern kitchen design is to create a space that is both practical and visually appealing. How can I make my kitchen more stylish? There are many ways to make your kitchen more stylish. Some simple changes, such as replacing outdated hardware, adding a new backsplash, or upgrading lighting fixtures, can make a big impact. Additionally, incorporating natural materials like wood, stone, or metal can add texture and warmth to a kitchen design. Another way to add style to your kitchen is by incorporating an accent color or statement piece, such as a bold patterned rug or a unique piece of art. These simple changes can elevate your kitchen design to the next level. How to design a kitchen in style? Designing a kitchen in style requires careful planning and attention to detail. The first step is to determine your kitchen's layout, considering factors such as the size of the space, the number of appliances you need, and the flow of traffic. Once you have your layout, choose your materials and color palette, focusing on creating a cohesive design. Be sure to incorporate storage solutions that are both functional and stylish, such as open shelving or a built-in pantry. Lighting is also an essential element of kitchen design, so be sure to incorporate both task and ambient lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Which kitchen design is best? The best kitchen design is one that meets your specific needs and reflects your personal style. There are many different kitchen design styles to choose from, including traditional, contemporary, farmhouse, and transitional, among others. Ultimately, the best kitchen design is one that incorporates elements of your preferred style while ensuring functionality and comfort. And here, these are the 10 best stylish kitchen design ideas. 1. Minimalist kitchen design with sleek cabinetry and neutral color palette. 2. Farmhouse-style kitchen with shaker-style cabinets, subway-tile backsplash, and wood accents. 3. Contemporary kitchen design with high-tech appliances and minimalist design elements. 4. Transitional kitchen design with a mix of traditional and contemporary elements. 5. Coastal-inspired kitchen design with white cabinetry and natural wood accents. 6. Mid-century modern kitchen design with bold geometric patterns and a pop of color. 7. Rustic kitchen design with exposed wood beams and natural stone accents. 8. Traditional kitchen design with ornate cabinetry and elegant lighting fixtures. 9. Industrial-style kitchen design with concrete countertops and metal accents. 10. Eclectic kitchen design with a mix of vintage and modern elements. A stylish kitchen design is an essential element of any home. It is a space that should be both functional and visually appealing, incorporating the latest design trends and materials. By following some of the tips outlined in this video, you can create a modern and timeless kitchen design that meets your specific needs and reflects your personal style. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of modern stylish kitchen designs ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.